Zylah&Dezro's Clubhouse. Come to Zylah&Dezro's Clubhouse. Yeah. So we're so excited of you. Rice recipe cheers. After any recipe, please put peanut butter. Big bowl. Tablespoon is a butter. And I have my mommy put in my microwave.
Okay.
We have to put in the mercury and make the meat. Now the peanut butter. Now take.
Pour in 5.5 cups of marshmallows. Whoa. Now stir the marshmallows and peanut butter.
Mix. This is the big spoon. Mix. It's time to put it in the microwave. And melt some marshmallows. I'm putting butter in the pan. So they don't stick.
Do that. I'll check these.
Alright. I need a Kleenex.
A napkin. Here you go.
Okay. Trying to put the Rice Krispies in.
Here.
Uh-oh.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Good job.
Mix. Now it's time to put it in the pan.
Yes.
Keep it up.
Okay, let me pour it all in. Pour it all in. Use your strength. You gotta be strong to get all that in. More. Oh, that's good.
There's more.
More.
Who's here?
Blaze and Mimi. Hi.
My favorite.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mama.
She's doing a video.
Hi. Blaze is here.
Blaze, say hi.
Hi.
Yay, Blaze is here. Woo woo.
I'm going to take more butter in my mouth.
Take it. And we're gonna let Blaze get a lot of it. Okay. Well, he's got to dry his hands first.
Press.
Come on. Say it again.
Oh.
Oh, you're stuck. Okay. Then finally, there's no butter.
Hi, and I hope you guys enjoying this video. Have fun making Rice Krispies. Bye! Give this a thumbs up. Subscribe.
Bye.
Send me a notification.
Zylah&Dezro's Clubhouse.